Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. I get so many questions, actually complaints, about Harley Davidson's new hydraulic clutch on just about all the touring motorcycles now. In fact, I believe the hydraulic clutch is on all of them. A lot of people tell me they're having problems getting that friction zone right. Really, there's no difference. This is probably in your head. Granted, on a hydraulic clutch, there's normally no adjustment whatsoever on it, and they tend to grab all the way at the end of travel. That's the way it is. That's what you're going to have to learn to do. I'm going to demonstrate to you in just a moment. That means nothing. However, I want to tell you that this motorcycle is equipped with hog leverage. These are adjustable levers. There's a little dial on there that allows me to turn and adjust any place I want that friction zone to grab. It helps. It doesn't change the size of the friction zone. The friction zone is still about 1 inch wide, and you want to be in that friction zone, in that sweet spot. You got to find it through a little bit of practice, 15, 20 minutes of it. But this motorcycle does everything the cable clutch bikes did. Is really no difference. It's mainly in your head. By the way, you're going to notice I'm going to have a little pressure on the rear brake. You're not going to hear the brake squealing. Most Harley Davidsons, the brakes start to squeal right away, and the reason this one doesn't squeal is because I put DP brakes. They're designed not to squeal. That squealing doesn't hurt anything, but drives you nuts listening to it when you're practicing. Plus, it sounds terrible on the videos. So I put, even though the bike didn't need new brakes, it was well worth the expense, about half the price of the Harley brakes, and they have an excellent feel, and they don't fade, and they don't squeal. If you got white wall tires, they're not going to spray dust all over your white wall tire. So watch closely. This is the hydraulic clutch. I'm going to be doing some turns, some tight maneuvers, using head knives, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. The hydraulic clutch works the exact same way. By the way, I'm getting on the bike from the right side because if you get in the habit of getting on the right side and getting off on the right side, you will never be stepping into traffic. And I think it makes it much easier when you got a tour pack like this. If I put my foot up on the floorboard, I don't have to lift my leg near as high, especially if you got a passenger on board. So here it is with the hydraulic clutch. It ain't brain surgery. Remember that you can either use that rhythmic motion you hear me doing here, or you can hold a steady throttle. I find using that quick rhythmic motion makes me ride a little bit more aggressive, and that's what I want to do when I'm in the parking lot practicing. I want to be aggressive here, not out on the street. Don't be timid, especially with that throttle. I see so many people, they think their throttle is going to blow up if they're too rough with it. It's not going to happen. Don't be afraid of that throttle. You're controlling everything with that clutch, the friction zone, and the combination of the rear brake and a little bit of throttle. In a half hour or so, you should have this down pat. I'll show you this in my Ride Like a Pro video. We show you step by step how to do this. We include a practice guide. It shows you how to set up the exercises, in what order you should do them. The order is very important. If you skip ahead, well, it's going to hurt you. If you start from the beginning, learn the friction zone, slow race, and then pick up each exercise, don't move on until you master the one you're working on now, and everything will come to you easy. $20 to your door in the continental United States. Come on, you gotta be kidding me, $20. You spent a bike like this is $25,000 and you haven't spent a penny on learning how to ride it? That's crazy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.